You know that expression, the customer's always right? We all know it's not true. In fact, sometimes the customer's flat out wrong. They misunderstand. They did it improperly. They might even be exaggerating. And from time to time, they lie. All right. So then what do you do when your customer's wrong? I'll give you an example. Let's say the customer says, "You guys are so slow." And you actually look back through the records and you realize that that didn't happen. They're just frustrated, and that's what they're attacking you for, right? So then how do you respond to that? What do you do? Say, "No, we're not. We're industry standard. Hey, according to the record here, we did it all on time. What's your problem today, buddy?" That's not going to work very well. But if they say, "Your service is so slow," and you say, "You know what? You've got a really good point. Time matters. Let me do everything I can right now to serve you as quickly as possible." And so what did you do there? You agreed with them on the importance of what they value. If they say your staff is rude, you could say, "You know what? You've got a point. You should be treated with courtesy and respect every time. Allow me the privilege of treating you that way." There's no fight. You're on the same side. Why? Because you got on their side emotionally by making them feel right. And they are right about what they value, even though they may be completely wrong about the facts of the situation. You'll get to that later, after you're on the same side looking at the situation. Thanks for watching this video. Your dedication to serving better and caring more makes the world a better place for everyone. For more uplifting ideas, practical insights, and free resources, please subscribe now.